Hello guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Instagram dual camera mode for Reels. So we need to activate the dual interface framework. Open your Instagram app on your mobile device, and in the top left corner right here, click on the plus. And in here guys, make sure that you are on the Reel mode, which is going to be the third one from the left. And look at the toolbar alignment stacked vertically on the left edge of your viewport. So just click on the camera, of course, firstly, to be able to start filming. All right, guys, and in here, it's pretty simple. So from the newly revealed options, tap on the dual icon, which looks like a pair of overlapping camera lenses. Your screen will instantly split into a picture-in-picture view. And then, guys, when you find that, as you can see in my case, maybe it's my Instagram or my region restriction or whatever, I don't have this. But yeah, just install the latest version of Instagram and you should have this as a button. As you can see on this left menu where we have music, filters, this pencil icon as well, and timer, you'll have it right there. And then once you record, just hit next to drop your video, drop the text layouts on the video, audio masters, and descriptions if you want. That is it, pretty simply done. As always, guys, like and subscribe.